Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the display settings so pixels match the output, set native resolution and refresh rate. Next, pick your capture tool, print screen for quick grabs, snipping tool for regions, or OBS/GPU tools for full resolution direct captures. Choose PNG when you need lossless detail, or JPG if file size matters. Set quality at 90% to preserve clarity. Once done, open the chosen app and prepare target window or desktop, because capturing high-res means preserving every pixel from the source. Now configure the tool for fidelity. Choose full screen or exact window capture and insist on 1 pixel scaling so no interpolation alters the image. In OBS or dedicated GPU utilities, enable high DPI support and set the output resolution to match your monitor. Also set color depth to 24 or 32-bit and turn off any automatic scaling or color profile conversion. These silently degrade detail. Once configured, run a test capture and inspect zoomed pixels to confirm sharpness before proceeding to your real shot. Perform the capture with your chosen hotkey or export function, then save master copies as PNG and create JPG derivatives if needed. Make sure file names are descriptive and include resolution or date so you can track originals. If the image looks soft or pixelated, check that Windows scaling is off, update GPU drivers, and retry using the direct capture method, often the difference between sharp and blurry. For incorrect colors, disable HDR or tone mapping and confirm the monitor color profile before a final recapture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.